Mithai, follow us closely. Imagine me as Sid and brother Mithai.
What?
Huh? Hey, why should I become Mithai all of a sudden?
Hey brother, be serious. Be serious. Consider this party as one of the PCG's parties. So please concentrate.
What happened? Is Ratul scolding? And we had to see this day.
Nanda, move aside. We were bound to see this day. He's pretending as Siddharth. And I am being Mithai. So I'm bound to get scolded by him.
I just can't wait any longer. Hey Nanda, come here, sit here and watch the show. Just see how the two brothers dance intimately. Start now.
Listen, match the steps with me.
What's this problem?
Hey, come. Let's start. Hold my fist. First of all, Mithai, watch closely, okay? Front, back, cross, back. Oh my God. Oh my. You are useless. We both have to fall together.
Silly fool. I'm not in such a miserable condition that I have to become your partner.
Nanda, come Nanda. He's
What?
good for nothing. He just brags.
Why me? Your life partner is present here. Dance with her. That's absolutely right, Brother Ratul. Are you feeling shy? Hey, Mithai. Yes? I'm not good at music and dancing. You know it, don't you? I can't do it.
You can do it with little support. At least try.
Sister Shri, if Mithai can try to dance in the style, then why can't you tell me? I won't be able to do it, Mithai. Listen to me. I have heard that at this kind of dance parties, everyone has to dance. I mean, that's what Brother Sandy told me. And you know what? They are getting some big machines to play music. Oh Lord, what is going to happen in this house? Only Lord knows. Oh my Lord.
Give me your hand.
What? What are you doing, Ratul? I'm not good at all this. Nanda, please reason with him. Listen.
Now you see what I'm going to do. Place this hand on my shoulder. Left hand.
I can't. I'm telling you, I can't do all this.
Why not? Mithai is doing so much for Sid in order to save his prestige. Can't you do this much for me?
Absolutely right. Everybody, clap for this.
Okay. Now look at me. Why are you feeling so hesitant? Easy. Relax. Just don't be so stiff. Just match your steps with mine. Okay? Easy? Nice. Nice.
Nanda, Siddharth's plan isn't bad at all.
Now do you understand how to dance? Easy steps? Huh?
I saw it all, Brother Ratul. And after seeing everything, Mithai understood
What did you understood?
that this kind of dance is not suitable for Mithai. Dance has to set you completely free. I will show you my kind of dance.
Okay.
Play a song, please.
Wait. Which song?
Play anyone.
This one,
yes.
this one?
What happened now? Ah, oh my! He has arrived.
What nonsense is going on here? Huh? You can't be serious about anything, can you?
Siddharth, all this while she was seriously doing the dance practice. Just now,
Rajiv,
uh,
please don't talk on her behalf. Actually, she's in the one who will have to be insulted in the evening. She doesn't consider Tess's insult as an insult. Her ego only works for me. Actually, I have understood it all. I'll be surely insulted in the evening because I have said that Mithai can dance very well and it's my mistake. See this? I brought a nice sari for her. This is not done, Mithai. This is so not done. That's it. She sheds tears at everything.
Sid, listen. You gave me the responsibility to teach the dance steps. Even if it's not perfect, I'll make her learn the steps. Please don't be stressed. Please.
What's wrong, Sid? Why are you scolding Mithai? Mithai has said in the very beginning that she won't dance.
Hey, Mithai. What happened? Why are you crying? Come here with me. Come here. Have a look. Sid has bought a new attire for you. Have a look. It's pretty. Take a look. Sister Nanda, have I ever asked for new sari and jewelry? Mithai always wanted to live her life in her own way.
Ratul, do you still think that my prestige will be saved in the evening? I know. For the first time, Siddharth Modak will lose a challenge. All she had to do was learn some dance steps. She just had to learn some movements. You couldn't do even this much, Mithai.
Siddharth, you are saying all this in a manner as if Mithai has never done anything for you in order to save your honor and prestige.
I haven't, Brother Raj. How much power does Mithai have that she will help grandfather's grandson? This is what I was trying to explain, that by decking up Mithai and by teaching her dance moves, one can't create a project. One has to accept Mithai the way she is. If that doesn't happen, then what's the point of learning dance moves? What challenge will grandfather's grandson win? Isn't this Mithai's insult? Huh?
Rajiv, please explain to her that my intention was not to insult her. Actually, you know what? Tess talks about Mithai in such a derogatory manner that I just can't take it. I know that she can perform a Western style dance. I just want to bring out that potential from within her.
Why don't you go and say it to her personally? She has been badly hurt, Siddharth. Nanda, come on, let's go and send Mithai to this room.
Yes, brother. That will be perfect. Let's go.
Mithai has become sentimental. But will Sid realize that? I don't think so. Let's go.
Come.
Everything will be all right. Don't worry at all.
Did you call me? Do you need anything?
Yes. Please have a look. If you don't like the color of the sari, we can exchange it too. Didn't you preach me that Mithai has to be accepted the way she is? So let's see if Mithai likes the color of the sari or not. Or else you'll say that Mithai is being made into some project. You get angry and feel insulted all the time. Can't you just show Tess for once what exactly you are? Don't you have the courage? I've told you so many times that you are a good dancer, you are talented, but no, you won't cultivate that. All you do is complain to Grandpa, say what is happening, listen, Aunt, I have a problem. Hey, Lord Gopal, all of this. Isn't all this nonsense, Mithai? Disgusting. These days, you have started shedding tears too. Don't say a word more, or else a fly might enter your mouth. Turn towards me. Not bad. It looks good. Now you tell me. Will you dance with me? Look, Mithai. We had to do this dance as a team as we had executed the corporate party. Will you get into a partnership with me? Great. Good. So you learn the dance steps from Ratul, okay? Mithai, you say something. What is it? Pillage. Right. Today I'm saying it to you. Pillage.
Ha ha! Now we'll rock the party. Join hands, guys.
Yes.
Hey, Lord!
Lord!
Yes. Nanda, keep it here. Oh, Sandy.
Tell me.
Sandy, listen. Please go to the balcony and check if the alcoholic beverages meant for the party has arrived or not. Ratul is getting those.
Okay, brother. I'll go and check right away.
Yes, please, go.
What? What is Ratul bringing?
What?
Hey! Just because Grandpa and Grandma aren't home, you can't cross all limits. If they come to know, do you realize what will happen?
Oh my, Nanda, what am I going to do with you? I really don't understand. Listen, will your brother's party be successful if we don't serve alcohol? Aha, you're still so conservative in such matters. But look at me. Rajiv, the middle class man, has also raised himself to a level due to Sid's influence. You too raise your standards.
Rajiv,
What?
is everything ready?
Yes.
Do we need to arrange for
No,
anything
no.
else? What's this?
These are all
This
soft
is all.
drinks. And the alcohol is kept on the balcony. I hope you understand. Actually, you know what? Though grandpa and grandma are not at home yet, since the party is happening at home and there's a certain culture in our family, Nanda is already rebuking me for arranging it. Nanda, how can you be so orthodox in today's times? Tell me.
I don't know that, Rajiv. Do you know I don't like all this?
What is
What
that
are
you
you not
don't like,
liking?
Nanda? Today is a special day. Cheer up. Relax.
Right.
Yes. And Sid, please advance a little carefully today. Please don't repeat the incident that happened during that festival.
Ratul, I never crossed my limit. Just that I wasn't myself that day.
Ratul, why are you digging up past issues today? You look forward, okay? Just look forward. You see?
Oh, wow. Mithai, you are looking so pretty, so different. Very nice. Sid has transformed you completely. Absolutely, Mithai. You look so pretty. And Shree's looking amazing too. Ratul, say something. Sandy, your cousin goes around making such serious face. I feel scared to give her compliment. What if she scolds me?
Oh my. How naive.
What?
When you came home with my sister in your arms, then she never objected. Really, Brother Ratul? Just tell us how Sister Shri is looking.
Mithai, I can say it. But before that, Sid has to say something. How Mithai is looking.
That's right. That suits you, right? Mithai has also become precautious these days. All you do is crack jokes on me, right?
So, Siddharth, I think you should say it. I mean, if you say it, then Ratul will also be encouraged to express his feelings. So say it.
Well,
Hmm?
Mithai is looking nice. Happy? I can't say anything more than that.